My name is Will Yates and I'm a system tester for CICS Transaction Server. This year, Impact, I'll be presenting 3 sessions. 2 are mainly aimed at application developers, although everyone is welcome, and 1 is at more system programmer levels. The first 2 sessions that are based at application developers, the first one is about Web 2.0. So everyone's heard about Web 2.0 and this new buzzword, but what does it actually mean and why on earth should CICS be involved? I'll be taking you through a very simple example of how we can leverage existing CICS assets and expose them as Web 2.0 resources. I'll then be showing you how easy it is to write a little bit of JavaScript to actually leverage that data within a web page. The second session is called Greenhorn versus Old Stager. It wasn't a title that I came up with, but what we'll be doing is showing you how IDEs have evolved over the ages and how modern programming practices can really help a CICS application programmer to be more productive and efficient in their job. It will also show how we can take new technologies and integrate them really well with CICS. My final session is about securing web services. So this is aimed at a system programmer who understands web services, understands how really useful it can be to connect CICS to other parts of the enterprise using web services. But at the end of the day, how can they ensure that the user that signed on, maybe somewhere else in their enterprise, that ID is correctly propagated all the way through to CICS and that the task runs under that user ID. So I'll be showing you a load of ways that you can achieve this, and then I'll be helping you to work out which one is the best option for you and your enterprise. So at the end, you'll know exactly what you can do to make your CICS web services more secure. When I started working for CICS Transaction Server, I thought that CICS was boring, old, outdated, and just not relevant. But now, with the new changes that we've implemented in versions 3 and versions 4 of CICS, has changed the way I look at the product. CICS does integrate with the rest of your enterprise. CICS can do web services. CICS can do Web 2.0. And not just in a, oh, we've just bolted it on type of way. CICS is relevant to the modern enterprise. It allows you to do Web 2.0, web services, AJAX, but to do it with the qualities of service that CICS customers that you expect. CICS is new, CICS is relevant, and if there's one thing I want you to take away from the conference, it's that message. CICS is cool.